Today, ASU officially welcoming back students to campus. So what's their strategy to prevent outbreaks that have shut down other schools like Notre Dame and UNC Chapel Hill? Here's ABC 15's Claudia Rupsich.
ASU has protocols in place to try to stop the spread of COVID-19. Here in the library, they took out half of the tables and chairs to limit how many people can be in here at the same time. The same goes for these private rooms, only 2 people at a time. But speaking to epidemiologists, they say that cases will pop up, and here's how ASU will handle those.
The university will not report positive COVID-19 cases on campus. Instead, it will use a similar dashboard the state uses, where you can see cases by zip codes. If a student tests positive, they will be required to isolate. The university has isolation spaces on and off campus, but they wouldn't tell specifically where these are and how many rooms are available. They said they'd make sure students have access to food delivery and medical care.
We have a team of professionals from health services and student services that would have responsibility for engaging with sick individuals and checking in on them.
Universities across the country have had to backtrack and switch to only online learning after outbreaks on campus and in the community.
We're trying to work with our young people.
Governor Doug Ducey Thursday said he was concerned about large gatherings, but thought Arizona universities were doing their best.
But I give them a lot of credit to try to have the safest, most successful, high-value educational experience this year.
ASU right now feels good about Arizona numbers, but if things get bad, they too might have to cancel in-person classes.
So there's a lot of variables that will play into that decision. One will be, what's happening obviously within the ASU community. The other one will be what's happening in the community, at large. Are there numbers that are going up in terms of, statewide cases and the level of community spread?
Most courses offer ASU Sync, which allows students to watch their lectures live via Zoom. So leaders tell me if they do have to cancel in-person classes, most students should be able to stay on track. In Tempe, I'm Claudia Rupsich, ABC 15 Arizona.